you'll always be mine. When you make my day shine, wanna be more than your friend, cause I love you, start to the end. I know it sounds cliche, but hey, love the way how you flatter to me every day. Say you my heart so you could blend it into yours. Did you know that you my affable girl in my show? Times when I castigated, feeling insular. The acumen of the thoughts were very similar. I remember when we called the same phone late at night, giggle, laugh while we took each other when playing fights. Looking in your eyes makes it hard to deny that I could see the stars without looking in the sky. So what's up with the girl now? Tell me how you feeling. I just love how we kick it on the days when we chillin', and you make me smile throughout all day long. That is how much I love you and the place I belong.
I like waking up in the morning, babe, looking at your pretty face, knowing that you'll always be mine. And I like holding you in my arms at night, underneath the moon, knowing that you'll always be mine. Be mine, be mine, be mine, be mine, be mine.
I wish I could express just what I'm feeling, not only in the song and not only when I'm dreaming, but face to face while looking in your eyes. So I could be the only one to stand by your side. You will only be my girl, just only in my world. You will be holding my hand, promising that I'm your only man in my only blue, and I wanna be with you. We gonna be together and love you forever. The first kiss, the first couple wish, first lips moving down to your sex.